Providing water for our plants is an essential gardening task. This episode shows you how to put together a drip irrigation system. What does science tell us about watering? Water the root zone and avoid wetting the foliage to prevent diseases. Deep, infrequent watering encourages deeper roots. Aim for a depth of 6 to 10 inches for lawn, 18 to 24 inches for trees and shrubs, and 10 to 18 inches for other plants. Water when evaporation is minimal, such as before 10 a.m. Deliver water at a rate no greater than the soil can absorb. Clay soils absorb water slowly. Loamy and sandy soils absorb water faster. Too much water results in pooling or runoff. Today, I'm going to add a drip system to a raised bed for strawberries. In the future, the owner may switch to other plants such as lettuce and basil. Since the bed will always be planted fully, the goal for each watering session is to wet the entire bed. Where plants are spaced evenly, such as they are in this raised bed, a drip line or drip tape with emitters at set intervals is the best. To calculate the amount of water needed per week requires some simple calculations. This bed is roughly 4.5 feet per side, which gives us a surface area of roughly 20 square feet. Under average conditions, we water 1 inch of water per week. 20 square feet times 1 inch equals 1.7 cubic feet. And 1 cubic foot equals 7.48 gallons. And this comes to 12.7 gallons for the entire bed. This is a map of the area: water source, main line, drip line, and emitters. Our main line feeds 5 drip lines spaced at 10-inch intervals. Each line is 1/4 inch wide with emitters every 9 inches, and each emitter delivers half a gallon per hour. Using a calculator from Washington State University Extension, this system in 1 hour will deliver 1.3 inches of water, or 46 minutes to deliver 1 inch of water. We will try 15 minutes every other day and adjust the duration as needed. As part of your planning, calculate how much water is needed at one time. The amount should be less than 200 gallons per hour for a 1/2 inch diameter main line. For larger areas, use 3/4 inch main line, which can handle up to 480 gallons per hour. If the total need is greater than these numbers, divide the area into zones so each zone is below the threshold. To verify there is enough water coming from the spigot, you can do a simple test. Turn on the water to full strength and time how long it takes to fill a 5-gallon bucket. Here is the formula for figuring out the total capacity. 5 divided by the number of seconds to fill the bucket times 3,600 equals the total capacity in gallons per hour. Drip systems usually begin at an outdoor faucet with the following components added: timer controller, mechanical or battery run, to turn the system on, run for a set time, and turn it off. Pressure regulator to maintain the pressure for distance and elevation changes. Backflow preventer to keep irrigation water from contaminating drinking water. Filter to remove large particles. Relatively clean municipal water uses a 150 to 200 mesh filter. Y or T filters are easier to clean. From here, main line delivers water to the bed. I'm using 3/4 inch polyethylene tubing encased in a PVC pipe for added protection. Drip line distributes water within the bed. Our main line feeds 1/4 inch drip lines with emitters every 9 inches. Let's connect everything and run a test. After each watering session, wait 1 to 2 hours, then check soil moisture with a small trowel or your fingers to verify water has reached the depth you want.
Bye.